The revolution will be live.
Alright folks, so I had to make some adjustments, but finished product here, a little walk around. Figured I had the those downforce wings up there before, but that's kind of where the Ducati the V4 and the S1000 has and all that. But like I said, I'm prepping for some changes, so just a little walk around. Zeus looks more reptilian, more like a dragon, aka everybody says he looks like Toothless when he's enraged mode. But yeah, some cool things are coming down the pipeline, but just doing that walk around to show different angles. It looked cool down there, but there was another picture that I saw, like that it's not really gonna help down in that area. So I said, alright. So yeah, just accessorizing. I like it. I think it's cool. Also, want to let you know that I went ahead and got the blindside mirrors for it. So now I don't need the these up here. So this wonders. I can see like everything on it. So it's good stuff. So with that, follow me on Instagram, folks. Shout out to the Siege. He was the one that got this stuff for the Night Riders. Now he's part of Bad Guy Riders, but they show much love. Shout out to Tatani and the rest of them. And probably gonna throw a quick little featurette of my brother-in-law riding. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. And to my ZX14 community guys out there, one love. ZX Predator. We out the building, folks. Peace. Going too fast, fella. Man, that bike sounds good. The motor sounds good, baby. Just bonus content.